She was hired to capture the perfect wedding day. Instead, she captured something she was never supposed to see. 3 hours before the ceremony, while scouting outdoor shots at the venue, her camera caught the groom behind a garden wall, close with another woman, laughing in a way that made everything clear. She checked the footage twice. Then she sat in her car for a long time. She had a contract, a non-interference clause, full payment already deposited, and a bride inside that building who had no idea. She could delete it, pretend she never saw. No one would ever know. She didn't delete it. She walked back inside, found a quiet moment, and told the bride the truth, showed her the footage, let her make her own choice. The wedding was called off that afternoon. The photographer lost 2 referrals from that family, got a 1-star review calling her unprofessional, and she would do it again without blinking, because some things matter more than 5 stars. Follow for more stories like this.